Hey there, everyone. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Ulta Beauty? This is ticker ULTA. Now, Ulta Beauty is seemingly one of those sectors and evidently one of those stocks that is unaffected by CPI. We had the CPI report come out higher than expectations. Ulta Beauty opened lower like most of the market, but unlike most of the market, did not make a new low on the day. It bounced off of that 8-day exponential period moving average and closed near the highs. And it even did it on pretty decent volume here, slightly higher than average volume on the day. And it turns out it doesn't really matter what inflation is, people are still buying their makeup. And so this is definitely a sector and a stock that I want to keep an eye on. Maybe keep an eye on it along with Elf Beauty, which, did okay today, but not nearly as well as ULTA. And so this stock, looks to be marching towards its previous high back here at around 550, 556 kind of region. So I would look for that as a short-term swing target on an entry on the stock. Now, I will say it is a bit extended above that 8-day exponential period moving average. At this point, I'd probably wait for a bit of a pullback to the 8-day, or even better, a green day bounce off that 21-day if you can get it. But then I'd look for that 550 to 556 target as a swing zone to potentially take some partial profits, or even look for a strong break through that level coming on higher than average volume into blue sky territory. If I zoom out here, you can see this stock is, actually done really well on earnings. They do have earnings coming up in March. And so I think we may get a bit of a run into earnings, at least to that 550 to 556 zone here. So this is what I'm looking for here on Ulta Beauty. And it's just one of many stocks that we're looking at that didn't really care that much about the CPI report that came out today. So if you want to see that list, we'd love for you to join us. Click that link, stockmarketmentor.com. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.